Hey guys, Thomas Tallon here at MarineMax. Just wanted to show you a boat that I just took in on brokerage. This is a 2021 Scout Dorado. It is the 235 Scout Dorado with a 300 Mercury AMC. Beautiful boat, guys. It's got Scout blue hull color with the white rub rail. It does come with this tandem axle Wesco trailer. If you walk back, you'll see that the Dorado has a nice swim deck. Perfect for entertaining, easy for boarding, hanging out, water sports, 300 horsepower engine, ski tow bar. Nice roomy cockpit with flip out seats, guys. Check this out. And of course these seats fold all the way down, and this seat does flip back, giving you plenty of the entertaining room, hanging out room in the cockpit. Nice wet bar on the starboard side with room for a cooler that pulls out. Another nice lounger, booth style lounger. This table does flip up and folds back down. Seat does spin all the way around. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see another nice bucket seat with bolster. Has the 943 Garmin Fusion stereo. Looking up front, you'll see plenty of lounging room. Does have the anchor windlass with 2 flip down armrests. You do have a head over on the port side. This is a vacuum flush head. Beautiful boat, guys. Again, guys, this is MarineMax in Greenville. This boat is not kept on site. To schedule a showing, please give me a call on my direct cell phone, which is 864-350-0145. Thank you for looking and have a nice day.